Buggies, come back! I must have been barking them.
Okay, kids, here's your independent learning for today. We're going to look at Benchmark Advanced, and we're going to be working on pages 6 and 7 today. All right, go ahead and print your name neatly on the line. Make words. How many words can you make? Well, let's see. We got New Year. Well, I made near out of that because I'm just using letters that make sense. So the N, there's an E, there's an A, and there's an R. How many other words can you make up? Handwriting practice. Trace the letters for G, L, and capital A. Spelling. What's the correct way to spell could? Could. High frequency words. We have add and left. Vowel team. Oh, look at these ones here. We got the sound. The sound. Could this be a book? How many other sounds are there that you guys can find? See if you can figure those out. Text connections. Make connections from the adjective. Illustrate and write. Here's an example. Here's brave. It reminds me of, and you're going to go ahead and finish that, and then go ahead and illustrate, which is draw, and write what you think. Okay? So it reminds me of something. So you make it up for the word brave. All right, adverbs. How, when, and where. So adverbs are pretty interesting. One of the ways you find an adverb is they really describe a verb. A verb is an action. So you want to describe it, and you can add that ly attachment, and those are typically an adverb, like slowly, quickly, early, angrily. But it's not the only one. Below, soon, here, again, down. These all describe the action, like if you walked slowly. Then you have to just place it where you think it belongs. Would it be a how type of word, a when type of word, or a where? See if you guys can fill those out from those choices. All right, let's go ahead and look at page 7. Print your name neatly in the line, please. Make words. Okay, we got another one. How many words can you make out of the word snowflake? How about snow? How about flake? There's 2 right there. Then use the letters to figure out if there's any more. And there is. See if you can get 8 of them. Handwriting practice. Trace the letters for G, L, capital A. Hey, there's a spelling words here. Can you write the right way or pick the right way to spell stood? Stood. High frequency words. We have these choices for between and example. Vowel teams. Looks like again. Is that a cookie? See if you can figure out the rest. Text connections for the word silly. Make connections from the adjective and illustrate and write. So you write something, or go ahead and draw something silly, and then it reminds me of, and you're going to finish it from what you drew. Okay? Here's your adverbs for how, when, and where. We have cheerfully, now, never, above, shyly, wildly, up, inside, and often. Where do you think they belong? Let's go ahead and look at your math today, guys. And our March math today is going to be on page 6 and page 7. Let's get going. All right, write your name neatly on the line. Missing add-ins. Write the missing number in the pot, which belong. Adding 3 numbers, add those up. Fact families for 6, 9, and 15. Sum and sort. Sort the equation below into the correct category. We have less than 18, equal to 18, and more than 18. Figure out where they go. Draw the shape. Here's your reading the clues here. Then draw the shape. I have 4 sides. 2 sides are shorter than the other 2. Draw what shape you think it would be. Okay. Number order, write the numbers from smallest to largest. That's least to greatest for 55, 76, 10, 30, and 37. Add up your 2-digit numbers. And then we have a money problem here. How much money do I have? I have 4 dimes, 4 nickels, and 4 pennies. How much money do I have? Go ahead and figure that out by drawing it and counting. Let's look at page number 7 today. Name on the line neatly, please. Solve, then color. Okay, we have yellow are even and green are odd. Even, odd. Write those what you think. Money, use 4 coins to make this amount, 55. Like, could you use a quarter? Could you use a dime? Could you use a nickel? Could you use another dime? See if you can figure it out. Start with the largest amount you could think of, though. Part, whole. Look at these add-ins. Figure it out where it goes. Shape addition. Count the sides of each shape, then add together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, remember, count them up. You can write them in here, write them out, and then add them up. You could count it just like I did to give you the total too. So either way, but I'd go ahead and mark which one for each side. Subtract by 3 over here, and then complete the problem. We got 6 plus 4 is this. Add 3 more is this. Add 2 more gives you your grand total over here. And then subtracting, go ahead and subtract your 2-digit numbers, okay? Well, that's your learning for today, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure you guys are doing your GrazKids and Dreambox for 30 minutes each. Read a good fit book for 20 to 30 minutes, and you could throw in some Prodigy there too. Google Docs too is great if you want to Google Doc me something you wrote about, maybe something you learned about. That'd be great too. So have a fantastic learning day. See you later.
Hey, have you seen any box lately? Oh well, maybe next time.